Yes, guys. So in this tutorial, we will learn how to add a database as a target to 12c Cloud Control console target database as a target. So what we'll do is we'll add a database as a target to 12c Cloud Control. So let us see how we can do that. So in the Cloud Control server, what I'm doing is I'm basically starting the agent, emctl start agent. So we will add a database as a target to 12c Cloud Control, and let us see how we can do that. So let the agent start first. So now that we are checking that the agent has not started, so we will start the agent now, emctl start agent, by going to the home of the agent binaries. So user one app oracle agent 12c. So we'll start the agent. Once the agent is started, then we can identify and add a database as a target with the method of target discovery. So let the agent start first, and then we will add it. So agent has started. So you see, agent has started. Let us see emctl status agent. So now that the agent has started, we can add this database as a target. So now let us see the status. It says taking a little time though. And that's it. Agent is running and ready. You see, agent status is okay. Available disk space is also fine. Everything, looks pretty good. Last successful upload is also fine. So what we'll do is, from the scratch, we click on targets, and what we'll do is we would want to add a database which is running on our server. So I'll click on targets, databases. So meanwhile, can we check what databases are running in our system? So what I'll do is I'll check SMON. So we have emrep and prod. So prod is not added as a target in Cloud Control. So what I'll do is I will click on add. Right now there's only ORCL, which you can see. So I'll click on add Oracle database. So right now there's only one database which is already added, ORCL, and that itself status is down. So, but anyways, we want to add prod database. So we'll add prod database. There you go. So we will mention the machine name here, or the server name, host name. So we can click on search as well, and identified network host names will be available here. So select the machine or the server. You can specify it manually as well over here. Okay. So now that the agent is running, it should be able to identify prod database. Click next. Target discovery in process. So once the target discovery in progress finishes, we should be able to see prod database as a, and then we'll add that database by entering the monitoring credentials. So we'll see that with DBS and MP user will enter the monitoring password, and we'll see that. We'll also see the DBS and MP password. What is the default password when you create a database? So we'll specify that. So target discovery is in progress, taking a little time. Should be able to complete in a few seconds. There you go. So we can see prod database as well. Okay, prod database, and you see container database it is. Why not? So we can discover this. And what I'll do is I'll enter the monitoring password. So what we'll do is we will log into this database and confirm the monitoring password. So our password for DBSNMP is DBSNMP by default. So the account is locked. What I'll do is I'll unlock it. Account unlock, and DBSNMP insufficient privileges. Oh, I see. Because interestingly, this is a vault database. So what a great error and learning we have here. We are in a vault database, so we can't do that with sysdba. So we need to see what is our vault database administrator. It is dbvadmin. Okay, invalid user. We need to check the username of vault. So just hold on. We'll check the username of the vault. It's a common user, so because it's a container database, right? So you see here it will be dbv admin and then c hash hash. So c hash hash dbv admin. Okay, this is our common user. So what is the account manager? AC account manager, because account manager can change the password. Okay, so we will unlock the user first. That's dbsnmp. Perfect. dbsnmp. Perfect. New password. So I'll give a complex password. Very well. There you go. We're able to do with Vault Account Manager. So we enter the monitoring password, and we can test if we want to. Successful it is, and we click next, and we are almost there, and we'll save it. There you go. So let's see how we can monitor that. Monitor the prod database. So we are almost there. There you go. We click on prod now. ORCL is down, but our idea is to go to prod database. So we'll click on prod. So once we click on prod, it's going to take some time while we go there. So it takes a bit of time initially, but it will be fine in a while. So there you go. Let's go to performance homepage, for example. And there you have prod container database up and ready, available for monitoring through Quellcy Cloud Control option. So we're almost there. So we enter the credentials first, sys, or we can log in as any other user as well. So sysdba, let's say, we could have saved them, saved as named credentials to avoid future, username and password re-entering again and again. So we could have saved this as well. So it is up to the user how they want to manage it. And there you go. We are in. So there you go. There are the performance pages up and running. So we are able to add the database as a target in 12c Cloud Control. So we'll see more options in another session. Okay. So thank you so much.